Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Audi S3 exhaust tips. Start by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and letting the system cool until it is safe to touch. Gather a 13 mm socket, torque wrench, penetrating oil, and soft cloth. Work methodically, loosening bolts evenly and supporting the tip to prevent sudden drops. Keep parts organized and inspect gaskets before reinstalling or replacing components. Start with safety in mind and set aside dedicated time so you do not rush. Heat can cause burns, and rusted fasteners can snap if forced, so treat each step patiently. Apply penetrating oil to seized bolts and let it soak for several minutes. Use padded supports to protect the bumper and avoid metal-on-metal contact. If bolts round off, stop and use proper extraction tools to prevent costly damage. Begin by loosening but not fully removing the bolts to let the tip settle, then finish removing them while supporting the tip with one hand. If the tip is stuck, use penetrating oil and gentle prying with a plastic wedge to separate it without scratching. Clean mating surfaces and check the gasket. Replace if torn or compressed. When reinstalling, hand thread bolts first, then torque evenly to manufacturer specifications for a secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.